Hey friends, if you think vegan pizza tastes like cardboard wearing a vegetable hat, stay right here. Today, I'm showing you a plant-powered pizza. So good, it should honestly come with its own fan club. And trust me, you want to stick around for the tip at the end, the secret bonus that turns your pizza from kinda cute to call the group chat right now. If you're trying to make healthier food choices, but still want to eat pizza that makes your taste buds do the electric slide, this recipe is calling your name loudly with enthusiasm. Here's what you'll need to make the crust. 1 cup of warm water, 1 packet of active dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of cane sugar, 2.5 cups of bread flour, which has more protein than all-purpose flour. And it's ideal for chewy breads, bagels, and pizza. Don't substitute. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Pour your warm water into a bowl. Let's slow-mo this shot like we're filming an overpriced coffee commercial. Add the yeast and sugar, mix, and let it get creamy for about 10 minutes. It's warming up. Give it a moment. Did you know olive oil is full of heart-healthy fats that help support good cholesterol? Now, add your flour, salt, garlic, and Italian seasoning. These seasonings will give your bread some flavor like a pizzeria. Pour in your yeast mixture and olive oil and knead this dough until smooth. Let it rest for 5 minutes, just like us on Monday morning. Next up, we're making our cheese sauce. In a pot, we'll place 1/2 cup of Smart Balance, 1/2 of an onion finely chopped. I like to use a food processor to make them very fine. 2 minced garlic cloves, 1.5 cups of almond or soy milk, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 pack of vegan mozzarella, 1/2 pack of vegan Parmesan, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast flakes, 1/8 cup of hot sauce, and 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt. Why are we doing this? We want our cheese sauce to taste like cheese and have a good flavor. Plus, nutritional yeast flakes are rich in B12. B12 is needed for a healthy nervous system, DNA production, energy metabolism, and red blood cell formation. Because B12 is naturally found in animal products, vegans must supplement to avoid deficiency. Plant-based cheese contain no cholesterol and are typically lower in saturated fats. Nut or soy-based vegan cheeses offer healthier unsaturated fats. Now, melt everything in a pot over medium heat until it turns into golden, gooey deliciousness. This stuff should be so smooth, it makes you question every store-bought vegan cheese you've ever tasted. And yes, we're pouring this under the tomato sauce because vegan cheese sometimes melts like it's emotionally unavailable. Toppings will include 1 cup sliced mushrooms and 1/2 cup of thin pineapple chunks. Roll your dough into a 12-inch circle. Use parchment paper so you can slide it onto your pan without it sticking like a clingy ex behavior. Spread your cheese sauce, pour tomato sauce on top, and add your mushrooms and pineapple. Yes, pineapple. And let me tell you, my girlfriend Nikita from Bermuda is the one who converted me. Back in college, I was skeptical, like deeply skeptical. But she just looked at me and said, "Pineapple on pizza tastes well, bye." And she was right. And if you're not a pineapple on pizza person, that's fine. Nobody's perfect. Of course, you pick any topping you want. Finally, we will top with lots of Daya mozzarella cheese. Don't use another cheese, since this one melts most like the real thing. Bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, cool for 5 minutes. Here's the tip. Dust your pizza stone with cornmeal before baking and add a little drizzle of olive oil on top to help the cheese melt. You get that crispy pizzeria level crust that screams, I know what I'm doing, even if absolutely winging every step. So, quick recap. We boosted your health with heart-healthy olive oil, plant-based cheeses with no cholesterol, and B12-packed nutritional yeast to support your energy and nervous system. This pizza is healthy, delicious, and easy. Proof that nutritious food doesn't have to be boring. Here at Come Back Vegan, we want you to have all the knowledge, all the recipes, and all the tips you need to be successful on your journey to a healthier you. Here's to your success.